Hey, Admiral Balch here. We're doing Japan 6. Have a few combative moves. I'm going to take the mech and tank, go through Johol into Anhui. There's one British infantry there. And then I'm going to step in from Shanxi into Si Kang. All right. I'll also bring one infantry from Shangtung. All right. I can find an infantry. Maybe I won't. Dang it. I just had a bunch here. Yeah. All right, so we'll walk one infantry in as well. All right. The fighter from Tokyo is going for the transport in 17, and I'm bringing up a sub. All right. I'm going to take the destroyer in 35 and hit the transport in Marshall. All right. I'm going to take a fighter and a tactical. All right. And try to take out the transport in 34. Ugh. All right. They have 3 left. I didn't mark that. All right. And then, let's see. 1, 2. Actually, I can do it this way here. I'm going to take the 3 tacticals and 3 fighters from Hunan. I think I can do that. 1, 2, 3. No, I can't. So scratch that. With the remaining 2 fighters and 2 tacticals, I'm going to go after the destroyer in 41. And I'll target select with the 2 tacticals. All right, I'm going to invade Burma with 2 artillery, 3 infantry, the 3 infantry from Manila, and the artillery from Manila. All right, so there's those 2. And then I'm also bringing 6 infantry. All right. Yep. 6 infantry with the 2 strats, or 3 strats, sorry. So they can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. They'll land in Shan State. Or air transports. All right. I think the rest in non-combat. I can take this damage marker off. Let's see. Yep. That's all I'm going to do. All right. I can clear this off. I'll just dump this somewhere quickly. I guess we could start up north. I have the fighter, the sub, and going against the transport. My rolls have been crazy. I'll do it again. All right, there we go. That's more like it. All right, so sub in 17 is gone. Get that out of the way. We'll go destroyer against sub in 32. No hits. All right, destroyer sub. All right, got him. All right, I like it. Destroyer in 32. All right, now for this guy, we go infantry or fighter tack and transport. And of course, he takes out one of my fighters. All right. I'll actually take the tactical. All right. But that transport's gone. All right, over here, I've got 2 target selects on the UK destroyer in 41. And I got them. All right. I need to actually bring this tactical back. I'll take out one of the chips. Or I can't do that yet. But I can do that. All right. Gotta land the fighter. All right, last combat. I've got unpaired infantry, tank, mech against his infantry. No hits. Oh my god. And he hits. All right, I'll take out the unpaired infantry. Finally got him. And he misses. All right, so I take Onway back with a mech and tank. All right. Those guys are dead. All right. I think I'm at 44. So 45, 46, 46. All right. That guy's here. I think that's it for combat. Now we'll do non-combat. The all right, the fleet. Two carriers are going into 38. That guy's dead. One carrier in 37. He's going to catch this fighter. All right. All right. One battleship and one cruiser. And then cruiser, battleship. Do I like that? I don't know if I like that or not. I guess I do. Actually, no. There's only one fighter left, so I'll move it here, here, here. The fighter that had 3 will go 1, 2, 3, land in Malaya. All right. The 3 fighters and 3 tactical that were on Henan. 3 tacticals will land in Shan State. 2 fighters will land in Shan State, and 1 will fly down to the carrier and make that carrier's whole. So I have 3 fighters and, or no, I took off a tactical, but they'll have, there's missing a chip here. Should have 4 fighters and 2 tacticals. All right, because I flew one down from Yan'an. All right. Yeah, because I took a tactical there. Okay. The infantry from French Indochina is going to walk into Shan State. All right. The 12 infantry in Shantung are going to walk into Shanghai. I'm going to rail 2 infantry and artillery, 1, 2, 3, into Shanghai. All right. And then the Manchuria guys are going to walk into Johor with the AAA. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah. All right, the 3 fighters, I think that's all my non-combative moves. So 3 fighters are going into Malaya. The 2 artillery are going into Shanghai, along with 1 infantry. 3 infantry are going into Shantung. 3 infantry are going into Manchuria. And 1 infantry is going into Japan. The fighter that took part in 17 is flying back to Tokyo. All right. All right. Let's do money real quick. I got 46, so I should have 52 for next turn. 3, 4, 52. Not the same as 62, but what are you gonna do? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 62 for Japan. 7. All right, and then I've got a convoy. I'll do disposition real quick. All right, 2 dice per sub and $4. All right, so take off the 5, give myself $1. All right, so 3, 40, 48. All right. 48. All right, quick disposition. I have 2 infantry in Java. I have 2 infantry in Sumatra. I have 4 fighters in Malaya. I have 3 fighters, 4 fighters, 4 fighters, 2 tacticals in C-Zone 38 with the 3 carriers, 2 battleships, 2 cruisers, 2 transports. In Burma, I have 3 artillery, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 infantry. In Burma, I have 3 tacticals, 2 fighters, 1 infantry, and 3 air transports in Shan State. I have 1 infantry in Sikeng. Oh, I forgot the Sikeng dollar. So I give myself $1. All right, in Anhui, I have a tank and a mech. I have 4, 5, 6, 7 artillery in Shanghai, along with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 22, 23, 23 infantry. All right, I will clean that up in a sec. All right, I have 3 infantry in Shantung. I have 5, 8, 9, 10 infantry in Johor with a AAA. In Dorongobi, I have an infantry. I have 3 infantry in Manchuria. I have 3 infantry in 3 AAA and a fighter in Japan itself. All right. Cool. All right. All right, I think that's it. All right. Sorry about the delay, guys. It's been busy. Sub and 17, destroying 32, and I think that's it. All right, later. Hey guys, a quick edit. The fighter that I landed in Malaya can't reach. Went in 34, it's only got 3 left, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't land there. I'll go ahead and land him in French Manchuria. You want him, you can come and get him. And then also, I think I screwed up my carrier. So I had 3 planes, 6 planes, right? Starting off in 34, 2 took part of the 34 battle, 1 got killed, so 2 went to the carrier, so that's 2 tacticals, 2 fighters, and then I flew 1 fighter down to Hainan. I'm actually going to reverse that, hope you guys don't mind. I'm going to just put the 3 fighters, 3 tacticals in Shan State. I'm just going to keep them together. All right. Damn. All right. Good Lord. Also, real quick, I think I shorted myself $3 because I have 3 of them on the island, so that should be 9. So is that 46 plus 9? Convoyed for 4, so that's 5 left over. So that's 40, 50, right? 2, 4, 50, 51. I'm not even sure what I said, but I think I'm at 51. All right, later.